Hello everyone, Mike with Fuse in San Jose, California in our warehouse, and I have a very cool product that you're gonna like probably. When we usually wake up in the morning, for instance, we go to shower and wash ourselves. Many times we have to wait for the hot water to come up. It could be 10 seconds, 20 seconds, depends, up to a minute, right? There is a very cool product that you can install. It takes very quick installation and you will be able to get an almost instant hot water. You know, wait on that until the cold water gonna pass. And several different products available. Like one of this is this thing. It's called the recirculation pump. So this one is an add-on to your existing water heater. It could be installed onto the tank or tankless one or the heat pump water heater. Probably the installed price is around maybe $500. It takes a few hours to put this on. Let's say you wake up at like 7 a.m. So you can set a timer for it to recirculate the hot water at 6:30. So by the time you wake up and you go to shower, you will have a hot water right there. So you can do it in the morning, you can do it in the evening. So this is what a thing does. Second option is for us to install a dedicated water line. So this way you can have a constant circulation of the hot water. That's a bit more pricier. Also, another option is to buy a ready tankless water heater with a built-in recirculation pump. So if you have a new installation, you can get something that has a built-in recirculation pump. If you have an existing water heater, you can install product like this and also get the same result. So different ways how to get to the same destination and different price points. We do all of these installations. Most of the time it takes a day or less. Please contact us. We'll send you an estimate, a quote, and you will be able to enjoy your hot water right away, and you will not have to wait anymore and waste the water. Thank you for watching, and please like us and stay tuned for future videos. Thank you.